Wagwan. So the 48-hour film competition took place from the 21st to yesterday, Sunday, the 23rd. And 40 people, 41, were put at a task to create films. I think 38 was submitted. I don't remember the rest of the details. But the amazing thing is, we were to create a film within 48 hours. And of course, I had challenges. I had daily stuff doing. I had camera issues. I had to use my iPhone Pro Max 15. Wifey and I collaborated in shooting this film. We put it out there that we wanted a cast, and so very Tracy from Little State Big Voices. I got to say maximum respect and thanks to you and your son Noah for taking the time out to be a part of this project, this historic project here in Rhode Island, Providence. Also want to say thanks to, my wife. Without she, the connections would never made. Clarice Annette Brooks, you never made it because you had prior engagements, and I do appreciate your aim and attempt of wanting to be part of this project, but much respect and thanks. Thanks also to Lit Arts RI, because if it wasn't for you, I would have never met Mel. And Mel, you and the entire 48 Film Hour competition team, maximum respect. The kickoff was amazing, the kickstart. Yeah, and people, my film was successfully submitted at 7:25 p.m. The cutoff time was 7:30. I want to say maximum respect and thanks to my kids who participated, send in their voice all the way from Jamaica, to Sharon Rose, who played my mom, for submitting her voice for that film. I want to say thanks to Jennifer from Massachusetts, who came in. I want to also apologize to Sylvia. The thing is, she reached out to me even before a lot of persons, but we never had time, and we were busy up and about, and it was all a moving scene. So Sylvia, when you see this video, know that I never go around you. I never purposely ignored you for no reasons. It's just that little time, movements, plus it rained. Even though we could not predict what was going to take place where the climate is concerned. I want to say thanks and much love and respect goes out to Bliss. People, look out for Bliss. She's an amazing poet, author, artist, musician. She's very creative. Check her out. Also, I want to say maximum respect to one of the youngest of the team Great, who I've always inspired. He played a role, Malachi, and this person in real life, Solomon, is his name. Solomon always been a fan ever since you knew me, ever since we met from Pawtucket Poetry. And I can't talk about Pawtucket Poetry and not saying how connective this person is. Not just a wife, but she is the person that make all the connections work. She have weekly events here in Rhode Island. That's 285 Columbus Ave. And you can check out our Instagram or TikTok or our Facebook page, and you will see more details. Maximum respect again and thanks to Peter Shiloh, who came in all the way from New York to be part of this project. Maximum respect and thanks to everyone who always been supporting greatness, who always share the stuff, and know that we are on a positive path of enlightening the world. The theme for my film was inspirational, and it wasn't given. It was like a raffle, and I picked it without seeing what I was to do. And most of the people who know me and what I do yeah man, them know say these are the things I emphasize on, you know, to inspire the world. Yeah, so we shot the scenes. We started to shoot Saturday evening late, and then we finish up Sunday morning, and then we, you know, continue to edit and get stuff up and out. So the screening will be July 9th and the 10th. My film will be shown on Wednesday, July 10th. You can follow the 48-hour film project on our social media platform and be informed on the precise timing of the screenings. Maximum respect. Yes. So in the meantime, keep continuing to support greatness. Keep continue to support the arts, support the poets, Riska and the entire sponsorship team. I can't recall everybody right now, but everybody who is sponsoring this project, maximum respect and thanks goes out to you all. You're doing amazing things here in Rhode Island, and I do appreciate it. It's global, it's powerful, it's amazing. So if you had missed out, you're missing out on something great. And the aim is to submit more films across the world in all these film festivals. So look out for Amaziah the Great and the Team Great. We're coming to you with greatness, and look out for us not just doing short movies, but poetry, music, the whole creative arts, so to speak. We are a group of creative people who, you know, we keep going. Like I always say, I keep going and going like that Energizer Bunny. We go hard for who we want, and we'll never do nothing funny. Look out for performances from Amaziah the Great all over Rhode Island. The 29th, I will be at Culture Fest. Yes. The 13th of July, I will be Boston Jerk Fest performing. August 3rd, I should be in Florida, Palm Beach. I know the journey continue. Tell them precisely, will never stop. You get me? So once again, look out for the trailer. I gotta create the trailer very soon. I gotta create the promo pic very soon. And I wanna say, keep looking for greatness, keep supporting greatness. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. It's a great way to get where all the sunshine will make it. We never stop. Big respect to Barbara Blake, Anna Ellie Skelly. All of the people who believe in me. All of the people who said they will not believe in me. Big up to the people who decide, say, yo, we're gonna promote Amaziah the Great because there is an intrigue in me. Tell them precisely. Yeah. So we're there as a Jamaican in a foreign. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the film is called The Jamaican Poet. Yes. And it talks about my story, talks about my glory. Tell them precisely. And you know, we are thinking and we are say we're gonna do amazing things. I was just chatting with wifey, and she say, yo, I believe in you so strongly. You just talk about stuff and then you made it happen in few hours, and that was the reality. And you know, Mark Ross, one of my real friend from Jamaica, can tell us that these are the same very things I mentioned to him. Say, Mark Ross, whenever you hear me say things, we just not just talk, we do. Actions speak louder. And me I try implore to everyone who is creative, stop wait. Never you wait because you can't just do things in the last minute. You just get up and do it. You get to me and say, get up and do it. Big respect to my sisters, my brothers, everybody. The Jamaican creatives all over the world, yard and abroad. Big respect to all fans. 48 Film Project, Mel, the journey continue, tell them precisely, we never stop.